Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be teaching you 8th standard maths. If you want to learn 8th standard, subscribe my channel. Let's start with the exercise 4.2 second problem. You have to construct the quadrilateral GOLD. I have taken a small diagram. Let us write down the sides. OD, this is a diagonal, this is 10 centimeters. OL is 7.5 centimeters. DL or LD is 5 centimeter. GL, this is 6 centimeter. GD 6 centimeters. 5. So let us see how we can construct. We'll start with GL, that is 6 centimeters. We'll take a 6 centimeter line segment and we will start the construction. So this is GL. From L we will take 5 centimeters, draw an arc towards the point D. From L we will take 5 centimeters. We take 5 centimeters arc like this. This is the point, and from G we will take 6 centimeters arc, and they both will meet. They both will meet at a point which will be D. So we will join this. GD will join. This is 6 centimeters. DL is 5 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters. Now we want the point O, but what happens is GL is not given, GO is not given. We will take LO, this is from here 7.5 centimeters. LO 7.5 centimeters. From L we will take an arc like this, and from D we will take 10 centimeters arc, and this point will be the point of intersection, that is for O. Here we can see we have to take 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. From D we will take and draw an arc. You can see here there is an arc. So this point is the point O. So we will join DGO. So this is the point GO and OL. And DO is 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. So we have drawn the construction. OL is 7.5 centimeters. So this is a construction. So let us write the steps of construction. First of all, draw a line segment GL equals to 6 centimeters. Second point, from L, point L, from point L take 5 centimeters, draw a arc. Third point, from point G take 6 centimeters, draw an arc. So arc from L and G meet at a point D. Then fifth point, join LD and GD. Then sixth point, you can say from point L, draw an arc of 7.5 centimeters from D, this point, from D, point D, draw an arc of 10 centimeters. So next point, arc from D and point L meet at a point O. Then ninth one point, join OL, OD and OG. And next point is required quadrilateral RILATERAL is constructed. So this is the construction. Hello friends, let us start the new construction. Next construction, rhombus BEND. Let us draw a rough diagram like this. First of all, BEND, BN, that is the diagonal, that is 5.6, and another diagonal, this is DE, this is 6.5. Now no sides are given. The information given to us is rhombus. So we know one information, that rhombus, both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other and all the sides of the rhombus are equal. So this much enough information is enough for us. Now let us see how we can draw. We will draw the rhombus. So what we'll do is, we start with BN, that is 6.5 centimeters. So let us take BN, that is 6.5 centimeters, and we will start. So this is BN. I'll tell you the reason why we are taking 6.5. Okay, so we will draw a perpendicular bisector, that is 90 degrees from n. You can take more or less more than half and draw an arc on above and down like this. From here you draw an arc like this. So this gives us the perpendicular bisector. This gives us the so this is a perpendicular bisector. Now we have to take this 5.6 into half, and half on the top and half in the down. So 5.6 half is 2.8. So we'll take 2.8 like this from here on the ruler. So we'll take an arc like this, an arc like this. So this is DE, D and E. We will join this. We will join this. So these are the all four sides equal. So this is the information given to us. In fact, even if the sides are not given, the length is not given, we can draw it like this. So this is a quadrilateral or rhombus, which is, this is 5.6 centimeters. So you can write the steps of construction. First of all, draw BN line segment is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Second one, from point N, draw an arc up and down. Then third point, here the language doesn't matter, but how you explain it and how you understand. Okay, so from point B, again draw an arc up and down. Both the arcs meet at the line at the center, which is perpendicular. This is a symbol, perpendicular to line segment BN. So fifth point is that draw a perpendicular joining these two arcs. We'll say from this central point, from central point of BN, take 2.8 centimeter and draw an arc up and down. This point up and down will be points D and E. So join DN, DB, BE and EN. So ninth point is that required rhombus BE and D is constructed. So these are the points. So that concludes today's construction. You have understood today's problem very well. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends and classmates. See you all in the next video with a new problem and new construction. Thank you.